See here, what is the question? Copy the following angles in your notebook and find their bisectors. So you have to copy this angle in your notebook and also find their bisectors. How to find? First, you have to draw this picture as it is like this in the notebook. Okay. So second and first one. So first you have to draw as it is in the notebook. So you have to draw it same as it is like this. You have to draw it. Any length you have to take it. Wait. First you have to draw a line. First you have to draw a line, ray, line or ray, anyone you have to take it. Okay. Suppose this is Q. And you suppose this is QMA. Okay. Next you have to take the compass. Keep it like this, pencil. Okay. Now you have to measure here. How much length it is. Okay. You have to measure how much length it is. Same measurement. Same measurement you have to take it. Draw an arc. Like this you have to draw an arc. Okay. Now you have to put the point here. R. And next with center or same radius you have to take it. Draw an arc. Here you have to draw a triangle, no? You have to draw an angle, try here angle you have to draw, no? Take the compass, measure B with compass, measure B with compass. That radius you have to keep it on Q. You can draw an arc like this. Okay, ma? That same radius, don't change this compass and keep it here R with center R. You have to draw an arc like this. Okay? Then here see the two arcs will be intersect here, no? Two arcs will be here, no? You have to put the point here P. Now take the scale, draw a line, join that line. Okay? Did you understand, ma? How to copy this angle? First, you have to draw a ray. Any measurement, you have to draw a ray. Put the point here Q. Then you have to take the compass. Measure here from O to B. How much it is? That radius you have to Keep it on Q. You have to draw an arc like this. Okay. And here, if this line and this arc will be intersect here, no, you have to put the point here R. Then same radius you have to take it, keep it here, and draw another arc like this. Okay. Then this arc and this arc will be intersected here. Now join that line. That point will be P. Did you understand, ma? So this one and this one now it will be same. Now first you have to find, next you have to find the bisectors. How to find the bisectors? Take the compass, measure from R to P. How much distance is this? Measure from R to P. You have to draw an arc like this. And from P also you have to draw an arc. Now see here, these two arcs will be intersected here, no? So you have to join the line. This is the bisector. From R to P, measure it. R to P, okay? Measure it and draw an arc. And from P also same radius, draw another arc. Now the two arcs will be intersected here. Now join that line. This is the bisectors. So here you have to put any point like S. Okay. This line is a bisector of angle PQR, angle bisector this one. Okay. Did you understand now how to draw? Okay. Draw it. Second sum you can do homework. Now draw the third picture. Next third picture. What is the angle here in the textbook? What is the angle given here? It is 120 degrees given. So you have to draw a line. Come here. So first you have to draw a line or ray, anyone. D, E, anyone. Now take the protractor. (120 degrees take. So here 120 degrees. Then you have to draw a line. So here you have to put C. So CDE will form. Okay now? Next what you have to take? Measure like this. First you have to draw a Y, Z. Sorry. Give me a eraser. So you have to draw a line L. Put the point here Y. Okay, ma? Next, you have to measure it here from D to C. Okay. Again, same radius you have to take it Y. Draw an arc like this. Draw an arc. Same measurement you have to take it. Put it here Z. Same radius. Take it and say draw an arc like this. Now these two arcs will be intersected here. No? Join the line. Join the line here. Okay, ma. Now draw the bisectors. How much length it is, find it. Draw an arc here from here to here. Okay. Now these two arcs will be intersected here. No. Draw the line. Okay. So this is a bisector. Here you have to put X. Here you have to put O. Any letter. Did you understand, ma?